We hard, we hard, we hard, we stars, we stars, we stars, we stars, man. Hold on, bro. Man, I'm not even saying nothing now. This is you guys right here. No, this is you right here. This is, you know what I'm saying? Motherfucking Mac G. Motherfucking Sicilies. It's Philly in this bitch. Hey. This out. This how we gonna do this one. You know what I'm saying? Me and my nigga motherfucker DK. Shit. We gonna make fucking bitches' bodies fucking sway, and then we gonna bury their bodies. Then we got some shit with different motherfucking shadows. We gonna set it off and shit. Toss us up. Maniacs don't like that. You say they like watch. Back to the whore body, man. Even though we living in a slave land, but shit, we gotta do what we gotta do with motherfucking struggle. Shit. Brothers here, brothers there, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to shout out to the world right now. You know what I'm saying? See, like, eat little something, something. You know what I mean? She just put that money together real quick, and then and just make it happen. But we gonna do it all day. Put the money together. Let's make it happen. I'm in the club. I'm pussies clapping. Fucking bitches ass clapping too. I'm in the bedroom making knocking. Making sex noise. I'm pussy fucking. I'm so hard, bitch. That's why I'm boss, man. Only one nigga can take the crown. If two kings around, I'ma take one down. It's not me. Fucking super clean. Don't hold me. Can you get that? Answer my jack. And my boy. This is my kingdom. Oh, super fucking hard. What you really know? This shit is for real, boy. No fairy tale. And I tell you, no tale. This is L. Let me get that right now. My clientele is fucking on 100, and I'm fucking running it, plus I done it. I screwed it, I screwed that. Pussy, Gucci, blue black, what me? Riding around smelling, looking crispy, like Krispy Kreme. No donuts, that's for the cops, that ain't from us. I fucking handle shit like I go next. I'm fucking crazy with the fucking hammer and we bang up. Or slang up. I'm finna go, we go some prostitutes, y'all ain't on my level. This shit is gangsta. For real, one time, I'll fucking hang yo. Like I'm black slave, and I'm black meat, and I'm fucking paid, and I'm from that PA. And I'm from PANNJ LA for Louisiana. Yeah. What up, son? Hold up, hold up. I fucking go nuts. When I'm on the beach, I be smoking blunts. I drink heavily. I'm not an alcoholic or a drunk, but I get pissy.